Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell so you get notified when I post new videos. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on and I have not gone anywhere because I've just finished up filming a few Instagram and YouTube videos. So stay tuned for those. And I thought now would be as good a time as any to do a take my face off and nighttime skincare routine with all of you, because my last video was really bad. Let's be honest, it was really bad. So I definitely needed to do an updated version for you guys. And I've also been using quite a few new products, and I wanted to share that with you guys because my skin has been through a little bit of a journey during lockdown because I've been taking really good care of it, and some of these products have really helped improve my acne scars and even reduced my breakouts. So I thought it was something I needed to share with all of you. So if you want to know how I take my face off and my updated nighttime skincare routine, then keep watching. So you should always wash your hands regardless of this COVID situation. I always wash my hands before I touch my face, whether I'm putting my makeup on or taking it off. I start with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I like to warm it up in my hands first, and then it just sort of melts onto my skin. This just breaks down all your makeup with such ease, and it's especially great for like eyeliner, mascara, and darker lip colors. It's also quite mild, so it doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. And it probably wasn't the best idea for me to start with my super dark burgundy lips and smear the color all over my face, because now I just kind of look like the Joker from Batman. Anyway, I just massage it into my face till I feel like it's broken down all my makeup before I go ahead with the next step of my routine. I then go in with a face wipe or a soft facial towel. Today I'm going to be using the Cleansing Facial Wipes by Simple. I've been using these for years and I love them. They are so gentle and don't make me break out like other face wipes have in the past. So I'm just going to wipe off the bulk of my makeup that has been broken down by the cleansing balm. They're also super great for removing eyeliner that's in your waterline or if you tightline your eyes. I usually don't apply makeup all the way down my neck, so if you do, don't forget to remove the makeup from your neck. And I also love these for getting rid of makeup from my hairline and my brows. I then splash a little bit of warm water on my face before moving on to the final cleansing step of my routine. For my last and final cleanse, I use the Mild Liquid Facial Soap by Clinique. This is another product which I have been using for years. It's also super gentle and leaves my skin feeling so fresh. Any makeup or balm residue is removed with this last step. I just give my face and neck a quick scrub and wash it off with warm water. So the first step of my nighttime skincare routine is the Alpha H Liquid Gold. I love this product. What I do is dampen a cotton pad with it and wipe it all over my face, avoiding the area around my eyes. This overnight treatment contains glycolic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid. What this does is it melts the glue that binds dead cells to the skin surface, revealing the healthy new skin underneath. It helps to speed up the repair and regeneration of new skin cells, and it also penetrates deep within the pores to eliminate spot-causing bacteria. I can't tell you how much this has helped to reduce my breakouts and has had a massive effect on the overall quality of my skin. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. It's a really big name for a very little product, but it's amazing. It has helped to reduce my dark circles and puffiness. It contains hyaluronic acid, which promotes hydration, and my skin needs a lot of hydration, especially during the winter time. I just apply it with my ring fingers and use a tapping motion. The skin around your eyes is super delicate, so you want to be very gentle with it, and your ring finger has the least amount of pressure, so that's why you use it to apply any sort of product to your eyes. I decided to try Luna by Sunday Riley because I usually use the Gran Active Retinol 5% in Squalene by The Ordinary, but when I ran out of that, I decided to try something new. Using a retinol in my skincare routine has also helped to reduce my breakouts and lighten old acne scars. Vitamin A is converted to retinoic acid, and this helps to speed up healing, prevent breakouts, boost collagen, and elastin production. It supports the skin's immune system, and it helps to maintain the skin's natural repair and renewal process. This makes your skin firmer, clearer, more hydrated, and healthier. I apply about 4 to 5 drops of Luna and massage it into my face and neck. Do not forget your neck. I have very oily skin, and even though Luna has an oily consistency, it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily or sticky. It absorbs really well and very fast, and it just leaves my skin feeling hydrated. My two favorite lip balms are Nuxe Rêve de Mille and By Terry's Balm de Rose. They are both super nourishing and hydrating. I use them every single night as a lip treatment, and in the morning my lips are super soft and hydrated. These are just two products I can't do without, especially during the winter time. So this is the current state of my skin. I've had a few breakouts over the last couple of months, which is not really anything new, but they are considerably less. And I think it's because I've been so consistent with everything I've been using. I think The Ordinary's AHA BHA acid has had a lot to do with that because I was never consistent with that before, and since I've been using that, I can even see a difference in like really old acne scars, and like especially where I have like textural irregularities like over here and stuff like that. I can see a massive difference in all of that. So yeah, that is my skin update. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.